Hi everyone. Waving hand. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to solve a very interesting exponential equation. Backhand index pointing right. We'll use logarithms to find the value of t step by step. Let's get started. Pencil, step 1, write the equation. We start with this simple equation. 3 to the power of t equals 49. Here, the variable t is in the exponent. That means we can't solve it directly, so we'll use logarithms to bring t down. Pencil, step 2, take log on both sides. Take logarithm on both sides. Backslash log, 3 to the power of t, equals backslash log, 49. Now, apply the log rule. So, we can bring t in front. T backslash dot backslash log, 3, equals backslash log, 49. Pencil, step 3, make t alone. Now, divide both sides by to get t alone. T equals backslash frac, backslash log, 49, backslash log, 3. This is the exact value of t. Now let's simplify and find its approximate value. Pencil, step 4, simplify the logs. We know that, so. Backslash log, 49, equals backslash log, 7 squared, equals 2 backslash log, 7. Substitute this back into the formula. T equals backslash frac, 2 backslash log, 7, backslash log, 3. Blue book, step 5, calculate the value. Now let's find the approximate value using a calculator. Backslash log, 7, backslash approximate 0.8451, backslash quad backslash log, 3, backslash approximate 0.4771. So, t equals backslash frac, 2 backslash times 0.8451, 0.4771, equals backslash frac, 1.6902, 0.4771, backslash approximate 3.54. White heavy check mark therefore. Backslash boxed, t backslash approximate 3.54. Let's check. Yes, it works perfectly. That means our answer is correct. Party popper. We used logarithms here because the unknown was in the exponent. Logs help us bring down the power and solve it easily. This same method works for any exponential equation. So that's it. We solved using logarithms and found that t equals 3.54. If you liked this simple and clear explanation, please like, comment, and subscribe for more learning videos. See you in the next one. Waving hand.